You are eating clean, working out every day, and doing everything right to burn fat and lose weight, but still you can't see any result? Well, you're not alone. Most people struggle to lose weight and burn fat just because of a few hidden mistakes which they don't even realize that they are making it. So, if you are frustrated and can't figure out what's going wrong in your weight loss journey, then don't worry, just stick to this video till the end because I have shared the 10 hidden mistakes of your weight loss journey that is stopping you from great results. Number 7 and 9 are the deadliest, so don't miss it. Number 1. Skipping breakfast. If you think eating less is equals to more weight loss, then you are absolutely wrong. Undereating decreases your metabolism rate and increases the craving of food next day. Number 2. Overeating healthy food. Just because something is labeled sugar-free or organic, that doesn't mean it is calorie-free also. Granola, nut butter, and protein bars add more calories than you ever imagined. Number 3. Ignoring sleep. 7 to 8 hours sleep is not luxury, it's the basic weight loss tool. Because poor sleep entangles with your hormones and increases your craving for food the next day, and ultimately making your fat loss journey a bit harder. Number 4. Relying too much on the scale. The scale does not show water retention, hormonal shift, and muscle gain. Use it as a one of them metrics, not the only one metric. Number 5. Doing only cardio. Cardio definitely burns calories, but strength training builds muscles that burns fat even when you are at rest. So, mix both for better results. If you're liking this video, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I upload these kinds of videos regularly to make you feel better and lose weight faster without any confusion. Number 6. Not moving enough outside workout. If you work out 1 hour every day and rest for the rest 23 hours, then it's not going to work. You need to walk, stretch, and stay active throughout the day, not just an hour. Number 7. Overlooking strength and hormone connection. Women's body thrive on strength training. It helps in balancing the hormones like estrogen and insulin, and these are the key factor for fat loss and better health. Number 8. Falling for fat diets. Keto today, juice fix tomorrow. That's not gonna work. These quick fixes slow up your metabolism and increases your craving for food. So, choose sustainability over trends. Number 9. Not tracking hidden calories. That splash of creamer, handful of nuts, or bites while cooking, they count. Track honestly to spot sneaky culprits. Number 10. Ignoring emotional and mental work. Stress eating, body image struggles, or emotional triggers. Weight loss is not just physical, it's deeply mental too. Heal the root, not just the results. Fixing these mistakes is one part of the journey. Now it's time for the other parts too. If you're serious about your weight loss journey, then don't stop here. Watch this Japanese technique that is in trend nowadays, and it has helped more than millions of people to lose weight, and it might help you too. So click on the video popping up on your screen now and hit the subscribe button if you have missed to subscribe yet. See you on the other video.